Bonggang-bongga, kakaiba at napakaganda ng pinakita ni Kim Chiu sa ASAP Natin To bilang Queen of the Dance Floor at unang performance niya ngayong taon at talagang buwis buhay ang prod na ito. Sabi nga ni Kim, never enough. Thank you ASAP Official Family, GeForce Sherwin, GeForce Official, what a way to start 2024 flying. At dahil dyan, napakaraming napahanga ni Kim Chiu ng mga fans pati na rin mga kapwa-artista. At isa na nga ay ang magaling na artista na si Denise Laurel. Sa post ni Kim Chiu sa kanyang IG account at naipost ang video, agad na napakomment ng magandang komento ang aktres na si Denise Laurel at sinabi niyang, "So much beauty shines when people love what they do." Si Judge Agpanga naman ay nag-comment na, "Ate, ang galing mo." Bukod pa sa kanila, nag-comment din ang batikang aktres na si Miss Cherry Pie Picache at si Leo Consul na kasama niya sa pit check na may paghanga rin sa ginawang performance ni Kim. Si Balon Montenegro naman ay nagsabing ang galing, samantalang si Jai Agpanga naman ay sinabi, "Ate, ang galing mo." Nakakatuwa dahil pati na rin mga fans nagsabing her performance was so breathtaking. I was so afraid for her while she was performing. Thank God she did safely from start to finish. Her performance was done so perfectly and beautifully and with so much grace. Love you more, Kimi. Marami talagang magandang komento ang natanggap ni Kim sa kanyang performance at isa pa galing sa Kim Pao, United Kingdom. She came, she danced, she flew, and she conquered. What an amazing start to 2024. You came back with a bang. Bravo, Kim Chiu. You are the queen of heart-wrenching performances. Well, congrats Kimi for a very powerful dance.